Hello everyone, if you want to make your old blur images attractive and clear like this, then this video is for you. We all have old blurry photos, family memories that look damaged. But with AI tools, you can recover all of this. And the best part, it is completely free, no subscription, no watermark, just follow the simple step I am going to show you. So let's start. First, open your Play Store and install the Gemini app. If you already have this, make sure it is updated to latest version. Open the Gemini app and tap to create image. Now upload your old or damaged photo. Next, you will need to add a special prompt. Don't worry about typing it manually. I have already added the full prompt in the video description. And you can also find it on apkpolasblogspot.com. Now wait for few seconds, you will see beautiful clear version of your old image. Try this on few images and see which one gives you the best result. Thanks for watching.